age sir? What weight is 60 plus? 60 plus na 69? 62. Okay, 62 la sir. In the drone RCoCB, எதுக்கு வந்து நீங்க லைசென்ஸ் எடுக்கிறீங்க? இந்த வயசுக்கு you have to relax and you have to play with your grandchildren. Why inspire you to take this RCoCB drone license?
Basically, I'm taking this drone to inspire young generations.
Oh, for the young generation.
Young generations. And on the other hand, I'm an expertise in quality assurance and quality control for more than 19 years. So I feel a drone will do a very good part for inspection and quality control in many areas like construction, solar panels, airplanes, areas where you cannot get your height to that specific location.
Oh, alright, okay. Okay, sir. Another thing, sir, you see, at this age, you have to inspire on learning of the drone. So, what is your advice for our younger generation? What is the future in drone?
It's a very good future for young generations. There are not many Indians in this program. So I call on all young generation Indians to reconsider this drone technology, which is quite advanced and is going to go more advanced in the near future. So don't be left out on this area.
Alright, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.